How dare you?
It's gonna be funny if it's like fast forward.
Oh shit.
It's like you pulled it out of like
An abyss?
yes.
Well, this car is an abyss. The only things that it fucking gives back is pain. And it just takes a bunch of money.
Is that the lowest your hand's gonna go? Fartiest part earlier. I think it says it.
Dude, can you give me a sandwich bag?
A sandwich bag?
Yeah. For like putting sandwiches in?
A Ziploc?
Yeah, dude, go give me one. What the fuck is this thing?
You just kind of got your hands in it.
Ow! Can't believe I fucking poured so much time and effort into this thing for it to just be fucking junk. Bro, who put those bungs there?
Bunga bunga.
JK, it was me, dumbass guy.
Yes.
Imagine being the guy that invented nuts and bolts and deciding that you were gonna call these threaded locking surfaces
Nuts.
nuts. Oh fuck. Damn. It's a
Put it
bar.
on, it's the first Big L song I've heard in a while. If I don't come, I'm depressed.
Final Come Pro. Damn, that shit's still connected down there. I don't know what it's connected to. Alright, we got an ancient Egyptian this. When I roll this thing back, somebody's got to pull two of those thingies out and replace it. Yeah, these wet rubbies.
Oh, we gotta build the pyramids now, you telling me?
Yeah.
Wait. Oh, swing a ding ding. Swing it a mess. I hate you. I had so many dreams. But I'm a dream. What
the hell am I doing here?
You pulled an engine, dickhead.
Oh, stop. Go. Yeah.
It's actually saying dildo. Dildo. We've never scratched one.
Never scratched a single one.
We've never hit a single one. of our
Never
cars.
hit a single one.
Our cars, we fuck them shits up. Do you have a clip? Somebody move this water bottle. I don't know whose it is. No, that's a bumper.
You know all this?
What happened to those 2 clips that were?
I have them in my hand.
Oh,
Trying to get the child to hold the bumper.
the child. I love the front.
Fuck. Where'd it go?
I love a good grunt.
Someone put microphones on professional tennis players. While they were practicing. Yeah. And then they broadcast it to the audience. There was some lady who grunted real manly like, and everyone was like, yeah, everyone likes it. You should keep doing that. She's like embarrassed to play. She'll go, ah! Everyone was like, woo!
And now there was 2 engines in the garage. Mother.
Don't knock into the trends.
I think I need to take these. That's a wrap. We're done.
The land decreed that there were 2, count them 2 engines.
What? Hey, I'm just the royal decreer.
JP, I think we need you to degree what you decreed again.
Lord decreed that there were 2, count them 2 engines.